Hi, welcome back to the series of XLS forms. So I am going to show you how you can select a single item and multiple items using XLS forms as a researcher. So um, let's go to the screen. So now we have this Excel file. Let's try and then open it and see what is inside. So we try and then open the file. Okay, once the file is open, I have three tabs. The first tab is called the survey. The second one, choices, and then the third one is settings. So the survey is actually going to contain three columns, and the columns are the type, the name, and the label. The type is going to contain the type of the question. The name is going to contain the unique identifiers, and the label is actually going to contain the question that you want the responder to see. When you come to the choices, the list name is actually going to contain the unique identifiers. Um, the name is going to contain the unique name of the unique identifiers, and then the label is going to contain the responses that you want the responder to actually see. So if you want to ask one, let's ask this question. So maybe let's assume that we are in election year and they are asking what is your favorite political party. So this is what you are going to ask. So we are going to select one. We are going to select one of the political parties. So you say select underscore one. Then which one is that? The party. Remember that this is what we are going to use to call the unique identifiers when we go to the choices. Now, the unique names is, let's say, favorite underscore party. Let me use that the word underscore, not dash. So underscore. Then this is what you want the responder to see. So you are going to say that what is your favorite political party? So that is the question. Now, once you are done with that, well, let's go to the choices. So this one is select only one. So we go to the choices tab and we are going to type these words, this party. So we are going to say party. Then which of the parties that we want? Let's say NPP. So you say NPP. Then the response is going to be NPP. This is what you want the responder to see. We go to the next party. The next party, then you say NDC. Then we come here and then say NEC. We go to the next one and say party, PPP, and then we say PPP over here. So now let's try and then, so let's assume that we have this. So let's try this. So we save that, we save it, and then let's close it and deploy it. So we are going to deploy that, but we have to first close it. So we have closed it. We are going to deploy that using ODK XLS form. So you say ODK XLS form. So you come here and you choose the file. And usually I usually open it to see that that is the file that we are actually trying to select. And this is the file. So we actually want to test it out. So we close it out and then we click on the file. Then we say open. Now, once you are done, you click on submit. So once it is submitted, you can preview it. So we try and then preview it. So when you preview it, this is asking you what is your favorite political party. This has given you only three options. How about if your political party is not actually listed over here. This one, you can select only one. How about if your political party is not actually listed over here? So let's try that out and see. So we come here and then we try and then open the work we did. So if you want to add your political party to it, another way you can do that is to come and add that political party. Like for instance, let's say party, and then maybe we have the GUM party, which is the GUM. But let's assume that you also have a political party that is not also listed in that list. What are you going to do? Now we are going to give you the option for you to actually type in your own political party. And what you have to do is you come here and then say or underscore other. So this one is going to give you the option for you to type your own political party if you do not see that. So let's save that and then test it out again. We close it and then we come to the XLS form. Usually I refresh it so that it don't sync any information. So try and then click on here. Let's open it and see what's going on. We can see that. And let's try and deploy that. You deploy and click submit. So let's try and then preview that. So you preview that, and now you can see the political parties over here. So we have what is your favorite political party? Now you can select MPP, you can select PPP, you can select whatever. And if you don't see your political party, you can click on other. And let's say you have NDP. So this gives you the option to just type in your political party and you can now submit. That is fine. So now let's assume that maybe they are giving you, because XLS form is giving you the option to select multiple questions. You can have total control over it. For instance, if they want you to select multiple questions, what are you going to do? So if what you only have to do is, let's go to the form and I will show you how to do that. We go back to the form and you see that this one we said select one. This one you are going to select multiple. So you just change the one and then say multiple. Sorry for my, so multiple. So once you do that, right, you can save it. And then let's try and then deploy that. We have to close it out. So let's try and then deploy that. You refresh your page and we are going to deploy that. So you click on submit. And now let's preview it and see what's over there. So this is now giving you the option to select any type of the political parties that you want. So this is giving you the option to select multiple items. So that is basically how to actually do that. So let's say you have NDP. So it means that you have the power to select all this and the form is valid. So basically this is how to select a single item and multiple items from XLS forms. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you.